Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening UC Browser and making sure it's updated. This reduces compatibility issues. Once done, check your internet connection, Wi-Fi, or mobile data, so the VPN can establish a tunnel. Next, choose whether to use UC's built-in VPN toggle or a trusted third-party VPN app. Built-in is fastest, third-party can offer stronger encryption and server choice. Now locate UC's menu icon at the bottom or right, because that's where the VPN controls or settings live. You tap the menu, then Settings, and go to Privacy and Security to find the VPN entry. This is where you enable the feature. Toggle the VPN on, and if UC offers region selection, pick the server closest for speed or a different country for content access. If you use a third-party VPN app, switch to that app, grant connection permissions, choose a protocol or server, and return to UC. The browser will route traffic through the system VPN once connected. This step secures your browsing. You verify the VPN is active by spotting the VPN icon in UC and then testing access to a site that was previously blocked. This proves the tunnel works. Make sure to check your IP address with an IP lookup site to confirm the server location has changed, because that's the best evidence the VPN is routing correctly. Finally, if pages load slowly or fail, toggle the VPN off and on or switch servers. If problems persist, restart the browser or reinstall the VPN app as a trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.